How to set a default description for every YouTube video in your YouTube channel. So hey guys, if you want to set a default description that appears every time you try to upload a video, then you need to watch carefully this particular video. So many times you need to convey a particular line or for example, let's say a disclaimer in each of your videos, and it might be tiring that you copy that every time or paste it or type it manually for each video you upload. So what you can do is simply use this particular trick to ease off the work for you. So the first thing we need to do is head on to the YouTube studio. As currently you can see I am in my web browser. So what I'm going to do is click onto my profile icon at the top right of my YouTube account and then choose the YouTube studio option. Now this will lead me to the YouTube studio website. Now the next thing I need to do is click onto the settings option at the bottom left. Once I have clicked it, it will open this particular interface. Now from here choose upload defaults. Now under the upload defaults you need to head on to the description, and now you can write the default description as you would like. So for example, let's say this particular line, as you can see that it allows a maximum of 5000 characters to be typed down. So once you have typed in your default description, click onto this save button and it will be saved with this message which says settings saved. So now let us try to upload any video and see if the default description pops up or not. So to upload any video, I will click onto this upload videos option and then I will choose a file. So for example, let's say this file right here. And here you can see that once I have uploaded this, you can see this description which has appeared by default. So that's how easy it is to upload or set a default description for every video that you upload. So if this video was helpful to you, make sure to drop a like. Do tell us in the comments if you have any thoughts, ideas or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.